So, hey guys, now I'm gonna explain about state management in React application. So, how you gonna manage state in our React application? So that's what I'm gonna say about today. Let's start with rolling up the state and unoptimal re-renders. So, when do we roll up the state? If there is a use, if we want to use a state, if you want to update a state but use that state in another component, then we use a rolling up of the state. So um, if let me show you an example. uh, 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 1 minute, let me show you an example. Yeah, so here you go. Yeah, I hope it is visible to you. um, we mainly code a React application mainly the code is written in the app component. This component have subcomponents like light and light still have light to have subcomponents like light bulb or light switch. So if we toggle a button which is in the component of which is in app component, so it should go to the light bulb and it should change the state as light bulb is on, and it should go to the light switch component and it should make the light switch component state as on. So um, what is rolling up? What do you mean by rolling up is, as your application grows you might find multiple components that needs to access the same data. So the multiple components needs to access the same data. So instead of duplicating the state in each component, you can lift up the state to the least common ancestor. What is the least common ancestor in this? Light component is the least common ancestor, allowing common ancestor to manage the duplication of state. So let's see it with an example. Let's just now import React R capital E from React, and let's import, wait a second, use state and use effect from React, and let's just define as parent component function parent. So this is a parent component. It returns something. Let's just say it has three things like uh, it has increase counter, it has decrease counter, and it has some constant value. Wait a second. Yeah, so there is something. Okay, so let's just define wait, it is app component, right? No, it's menu component. Sorry about that. Control C. Don't save. Yeah, I think it's control V. Yeah, let's go. First we have to write app. First we have to write function app component. If you can see it here, function app. Here we're gonna render return div, and we're gonna render parent component parent. Yeah, we're gonna render parent component, and we're gonna define parent component. Wait a second, return this parent component has an increment. Wait a second, it's a div, right? Div. It has an increment component. It has an decrement component, and it has a value component. There is some bug in this. No, wait. Yeah. Actually, every component should start with a capital letter. There is a bug. We should be capital. Yeah, here you go. So now let's just define the components. Function increment. Here you go. And same as with decrement variable, and same as with value variable as well. So we're gonna create an use state here. Let's just say const count comma set count equals use state. What do you wanna keep in a use state? It's a count, right? So let's set it to 0, which will be changed by set count. So now we're gonna send count and set count as props to all of its components. And count equals, wait a second, wrong, it's wrong. Count as count and set count as set COU and count, and same we'll be doing same with decrement counter. We're gonna send set count and set count as props to these components. Yeah, we're gonna do the same. Now it should be reading by these components using these params. We will be reading by count comma set count. Yeah, Control C. It should be reading by this here too. and the props should be passed as children in here as well. So what are we gonna do in this increment counter is we're gonna return a button, BUTT-ON, right? Sorry, my bad. Button which on click set which on click triggers a function which sets its value as which sets a count value as -1 0 and count +1, which increases count, right? Yeah, let's just say the button is increment, and we'll be doing same with decrement component as well, but here it should be -1 and it should be decrement. Yeah, it's recording, right? Yeah, so increment has been done and decrement has been done. So now the value is return paragraph tag count is the prop that we sent. Yeah, it's a count. And let's just export the app component default app. Yeah, it is done. And I think it is done. It is like passing state count and state set count as props to these increment, decrement and value components. Okay, that's it. This is the first part, and I'll be sharing the second part very soon. And thanks for watching. Yeah, thank you.